WMF Elevation 10 Descaling. Open the descaling program in the operating menu under Maintenance and confirm your selection by clicking Yes. If present, first remove the water filter, including the adapter, from the water tank. Now fill the water tank and add 2 bottles of WMF liquid descaler. If there is no drain connection, place 2 empty containers with a capacity of at least 3 liters under the spouts. Confirm this step on the display so that the descaling process starts automatically. Wait for several rinse cycles during descaling and follow the further instructions on the display. Once the process is complete, remove the water tank and drain any remaining water. Rinse it thoroughly. If necessary, reinstall the water filter, including the adapter. Fill the water tank with fresh water and put it in place. Your machine is now descaled and ready for its next use.